Hi all, welcome to today's cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cubanada. A nice simple 3-ingredient cocktail. I'll leave a link to the 3-ingredient cocktail playlist, which is up here on your top right, my top left. Nice and simple one. It's made using a Cuban rum. I know this is actually made in Puerto Rico now. It's close enough to a Cuban rum that I've got on the shelf. So 50 mils, followed by fresh lime juice, 20 mils. I've noticed some of these recipes lately that I've been making are divisible by 25-50 mils, the size of the standard measures in the UK. So I believe that these particular recipes may have been inspired in the UK or been featured in a cocktail book over there. So the maple syrup, 20 mils as well. This obviously depends on your maple syrup. It may be a little bit sweeter, so you may need to adjust. Fill your cocktail shaker with ice and give it a good shake. And into the chilled glass it goes. So essentially a daiquiri with maple syrup. You can get that sort of brownish kind of tinge from the maple syrup. I'm not going to garnish. If you were to garnish it, then you could probably give it a twist of lime. Get those really nice sweet notes on the cocktail. That is a delicious riff on a daiquiri. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.